Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. How to sound fluent in English even if we are not confident and fluent in speaking in English. Yes, you heard it right. I will talk about how to sound fluent and confident in speaking in English even if you are not fluent and confident in speaking in English. So guys, I'm going to talk about do's and don'ts which will help you to sound more fluent, more confident and more like a native speaker or a pro in speaking in English. Take down these points and it is absolutely going to help you to become fluent and confident in speaking in English in every situation. Well, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin. It's going to be very interesting, guys. So the first thing we have to keep in mind is, or the first thing we need to keep in mind to sound more fluent in speaking in English is we should not copy accent. Stop copying accent. Accent is not equal to fluency. If somebody has an accent while speaking in English, doesn't necessarily mean that the person is fluent and confident in speaking in English. So never do that. Whatever accent you have, however, or whatever ways you speak in English is absolutely fine, right? We should not copy American accent or British accent or any other accent. Try to speak as it is. Follow your own accent to be at ease, to develop confidence and to develop fluency. If you start copying the accent, it will complicate things. You will be in a difficult position. It will get very difficult for you to speak because your focus will be on your accent, like whether I'm pronouncing this word right or wrong. Okay, whether this word has the right accent or not. So your focus will be completely changed. So don't get into that. Please, it is a request. Accent is not equal to fluency. Speak in your own accent with correct pronunciation, intonation, rhythm and tone. That is the only thing you have to copy from native speakers, how you have to speak in English. Okay, not the accent. Okay, so this is the first thing you have to remember. The second thing you need to keep in mind while speaking in English is taking a pause. This is very important, guys. Whenever you are speaking in English, when we speak in English, while speaking in English, we tend to forget something, like what next we have to speak, or any word we forget, or any sentence or idea we tend to forget. That is a human nature that is backed by science. But that doesn't mean that we go blank, we can't speak, right? We get nervous, uncomfortable in that situation. No. The best thing you can do here is, if you have forgotten an idea, if you have forgotten the sentence, if you have forgotten a word, or if you forgot what to say next, take a pause and then speak. Now, while taking a pause, you can just refresh everything. If you're able to recall the idea back, well and good. Otherwise, go ahead with something else, right? So, taking a pause to calm you down, to recollect everything, or to think what next to say is the best way to cover up your mistake or to cover up this. Okay, so taking a pause is not bad. You can always take a pause before speaking, while speaking, or anytime when you get blank. Okay, fill that space with a pause and start speaking again. Now, this pause will help you to recollect your ideas, your thoughts, and if not, you can just start a new discussion or a new topic or a new idea. Okay, we can just say, oh, forget about it. Let's talk about this. Or, okay, let's talk about something else. Use these phrases, use these sentences to just change the topic. Okay, there are lots of ideas you can get to change the sentences. So focus on that. Try to recollect things. If you are able to recollect, recall, well and good. Otherwise, just change the entire discussion or topic or talk. Okay, start afresh with a new idea. Number 3, use fillers. Now, this is not very much recommended, but then here I want to talk about something else. It's not about well, oh great, No, I am not talking about these fillers. I am talking about fillers which you can speak. I'm talking about verbal fillers. Like if you forgot something, you can just say, I just missed what I was saying. Let's talk about this. Okay. Or, well, that was a bad idea. I think we can, and continue with something else. These kind of fillers I'm talking about. So when you're taking it is all connected, guys. When you're taking a pause, when you're trying to recollect your ideas, if you have recollected the idea, you can just start speaking, right, on the same lines. But if you have forgot that, you're not getting any clue, you're not getting any idea, don't take a long pause. Just kind of change the topic. Okay, change the whole discussion. For changing the discussion or coming up with a new topic, you have to use fillers. Like what I just said. Let's forget that. I think this is the best thing to do. Whatever, you just can continue with that. Or, oh, I forgot what I was saying. Let's not talk about it now. And change the topic. Okay, there are lots of things you can do on the spot. You have to have a presence of mind. Your mind should be present in that moment and it should start thinking what to do next in adverse situations. So you have to train your brain for all these things. Okay, it's all about training. How you cope up with a situation. Don't get nervous. If you get nervous, your brain will stop thinking. It will stop helping you with ideas. So don't get nervous. Come up with a solution on the spot. Train yourself for such situations. And that is why I'm speaking about it. I want you to train yourself while speaking on these lines so that tomorrow if you're having a conversation with people and you are blank, you forgot a word, you forgot an idea, you forgot the whole sentence, what you were saying or what you have to say. What to do? Take a pause, try to recollect and start speaking. Or take a pause, change the whole sentence by using fillers like these. Okay, so you can do a lot of things, guys. These are very helpful small tips and it is not difficult at all. If you start using it, if you start incorporating it in your practice sessions, it is definitely going to help you. Okay, so do this. Another thing you should start doing is speak slowly. Don't rush to finish your sentence or don't rush to finish your answer or your conversation or your topic or your point or your view or idea what you are trying to say or convey. We all get nervous, right? And in nervousness, what we do is we tend to finish whatever we want to say in a hurry or in a hush. This is a human tendency, but it is all in our hands. We can control this. We need to know how to control this. Okay, so when you're nervous, take a deep breath and Frame your sentences and speak slowly. Use simple short sentences. Don't use complicated sentences, right? Use simple short sentences and go slow with it. Finish it off in 2-3 sentences, not more than that. Is it difficult to speak 2 sentences or 3 sentences, guys? No, it is not. You don't have to describe the entire thing in 10 sentences. It's not a test you are giving. It's not an exam which you're sitting for. It's just a casual conversation or a talk which you are having with people in English. So, don't get nervous. Take your time, go slow. Speak slowly so that all your words and sentences are very clear to the other person who is listening to you. Okay, this will help you to frame sentences and you'll be able to speak well and deliver your idea to the other person as well. So, go slow. If you're very fast, doesn't mean you're very fluent in English. It's just that if the other person is able to understand you, if you're able to speak proper sentences, if you're able to speak each word clearly, and if the other person is able to understand your idea or thought, you are an excellent speaker. You are a fluent English speaker. So don't get into things like, if you are fast, you are fluent. You are not. You're just messing it up. Okay. And the last but not the least is challenge yourself. Yes, we all get nervous. We all feel scared of speaking in front of people. But that doesn't mean that we stop speaking or we just finish it off, say something, finish it off and go away or run away from that situation. So that is not the right thing to do. We have to challenge ourselves. We have to stay there. We have to win the war. So challenge yourself. Challenge your thoughts, challenge your mindset, challenge your attitude, challenge your caliber, challenge your talent. Right? In such situations, we start feeling demoralized. We start feeling that no, I won't be able to do it. This is not my cup of tea. I'm really bad at English. Right? What if the other person will start laughing at my English if I say something wrong? What if I will be grammatically wrong? So these thoughts start getting into our minds. This is where I want to challenge your thoughts, challenge your attitude, challenge your positivity, challenge your negativity, challenge your caliber to prove that you can do it. Right? You have to challenge yourself in such situations so that you can achieve your target, you can achieve your goal. And here your goal is to speak in English or have a conversation in English. So challenge your thoughts, challenge your mindset, challenge your caliber and go ahead with speaking in English. Go ahead and win the war, win the situation, win your confidence and fluency by speaking in English. So guys, if you take care of all these things, if you change your mindset, if you change your thought process, things will fall in place for sure. You will start delivering, you will start feeling confident, you will start feeling fluent in speaking in English. So start developing these simple habits or start incorporating these small things in your daily English speaking practice sessions so that tomorrow when you go out and start speaking in English with people in any situation on any topic with anyone, anywhere, you will sound more fluent and confident in speaking in English. Right? Do you accept the challenge? So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.